In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up for Instagram Lite. So first of all, launch open Instagram Lite application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Instagram Lite application has been opened. So signing up for the Instagram Lite application is actually same to the signing up for the Instagram application. Instagram Lite is a downgraded version of the Instagram, so the process is same. So tap on this option, create account, that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can either enter your mobile number or you can also sign up with your email if you want. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to sign up with my email address. So what you have to do is simply enter the email address associated with your account over here. So simply enter the email address with which you would like to create the account. Now tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the confirmation code will be sent to your email. So open the Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Instagram has sent me the email. Tap on the email sent by the Instagram. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code or copy it. Now go back to the Instagram application and enter the confirmation code. Now tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your name and create a password for yourself. So simply enter your full name over here. Likewise, create a password for yourself. Tap on the field of password. Your password should be a mix of at least 6 numbers and letters. So simply create the password accordingly. Now after you create the password, tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to select the birthday for yourself. Scroll up or down in order to select the day. Likewise, scroll up or down in order to select the month. Likewise, you can also select the year according to your choice. Now tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account is almost ready. You'll be able to see the username selected for you over here. You can change it later, or if you want to change it right now, tap on this option change username that you can see on the screen. Right now I'm just going to proceed with this. So tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. You can sync your contact if you want. In order to do that, tap on the continue option. Here I'm just going to skip it. Now you can also add a profile photo. Right now I'm just going to skip this. Now turn on the notification. Now you can follow the people if you want. Simply tap on the people that you would like to follow and tap on the next option. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So like this, you'll be able to sign up for Instagram Lite. So that is how you sign up for Instagram Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.